Sully Man Vlogs making movies.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Sully Man Vlogs. So we out here at Crane Ford, Jacksonville. Just want to shout out my guy Zach. So he gonna show us his real cool GT350. He gonna start it up and pull it out for us so we can look at it. Y'all come and shop with them. Crane Ford got everything you need as far as Fords go. So let's hear this thing, y'all. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee. Like that sound. Beautiful, beautiful. This thing is beautiful, y'all. Oh yeah. It's a stick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. It's the way we like it. I might have to get some more pictures with it like this.
Oh yeah.
Look good.
It's fun, man. I enjoyed it.
You love it?
It's hard not to play with.
Yes, sir. What year is this one?
19.
19? I love it, man. That color is just real. It stands out a lot.
I wasn't too fond on red. I wanted more of like a white or like a blue.
Mm-hmm.
But I saw this one from the interstate. I was up here. I bought it from here.
Oh, really?
And I was like,
Cool.
I gotta go check it out.
Yeah.
It's different.
Yeah.
So I got it, man. I enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's fun to play in.
And guys, I was telling my uncle actually got his GT500 from Crane Ford over in Little Rock.
Yeah.
And this is the Jacksonville location, so it's real cool, y'all. They got everything you need, though. Man. Mind if we look inside of it? Look good. Oh, yeah. It's my first time getting up in one of these, too, y'all. Carbon fiber. Yeah. Love that carbon fiber. Nice. We can give it a rail.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
We can see what it sounds like from the inside.
Go for it.
Whew. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah,
Love the wheels.
I gotta put it on quiet mode when I turn it on.
Yeah.
Pulling out of my garage, you're like echo and stuff. I'm like, man, I'm echoing.
Hey, man. Yeah, I love it.
Yeah, it's stock. I ain't got nothing done to it. I don't really want to do anything to it.
Mm-hmm. You don't have to.
No, I don't.
It's fast.
A lot of people supercharge their twin turbo. I'm just like,
Yeah.
I just want to leave it like it is.
Yeah. You'll be glad you did that, because like in the future it'll be worth a lot of money.
Absolutely, yeah.
It'll be all stock. Yep. Yeah, I like the stripes on there too. Make it stand out. Yeah, this thing popping, y'all. So yeah, guys, so this was gonna be a real quick video, but just wanted to shout out Zach. So we just met today, guys, and he said I can get a video of the 350 right away. So big shout out to him, and hopefully we got more content on the way very, very soon. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We're out of here. Say peace out to him, Zach.